Thank you, Grace, for introducing us to the occasion, and I consider it a very wonderful opportunity to celebrate with all in the team. So, to start with the Indian performance Tamasha, I, Syed Hussain, will recite few lines of shairi, which is actually Urdu poetry. So, this is creation of 40 years old creation of a famous Indian poet, Dr. Bashir Badr. But it has one stanza which very well summarizes the situation arising from the this COVID-19 pandemic. And this is the beauty of good poetry, that every time it finds new meaning. So it goes something like this. यूं ही बेसबब ना फिरा करो, यूं ही बेसबब ना फिरा करो, कोई शाम घर भी रहा करो, यूं ही बेसबब ना फिरा करो, कोई शाम घर भी रहा करो. वो गजल की सच्ची किताब है, वो गजल की सच्ची किताब है, उसे चुपके चुपके पढ़ा करो. And now that line which actually defines the situation. कोई हाथ भी ना मिलाएगा जो गले मिलोगे तपाक से, कोई हाथ भी ना मिलाएगा जो गले मिलोगे तपाक से. Nobody will shake hands with you even if you want to hug them.